Hey guys, what's up? Coattail Trader here. I wanted to do the market review for July 1st, 2013, Monday. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to start making a new posting for each month. That way, on my website, you can go back and everything will be in the archives. But I think just doing a one page with a ton of different ones might be get a little cluttered. So anyway, here we go. Another thing that you're going to notice in my charts now is they're actually even cleaner than they were before. You'll notice I used to have some deviation bands on here and a lot more lines drawn. Now you're going to notice that I have no bands anymore and 4 lines, which these 2 blue ones I don't even use for trade signals. To me, these are just psychological levels that I like to keep my eye on, but I don't take trade signals from them. The levels that I'm watching are this one and this one, and I've changed the color, so I'm going to from this point forward you'll hear me refer to these as the bull line. The green one is going to be the bull line, the red one is going to be the bear line. So basically meaning this is a long, this is a short. These 2 lines are all I'm looking at. So price opens, we can see that it's having some trouble getting above this point. We see it right here, finally breaks out, barely 1 tick, but that's all we need. You get in there, you get yourself your point. If you're patient, you get a lot more points, but if you're not patient, you get 1, which is fine. And then pretty much after that, the whole rest of the day, price just kind of stagnated. The whole rest of the day didn't really do much. If we give me a second, I'm going to change the view here. Okay, pull it down a little bit. So price pretty much stagnates all day. Not really much happening. Keep going. Now we get this, and now we see it comes down to our bull line. Now what I like to see happen is you see another trade is generated right here. This is a buy signal. Now if you were taking it, I did not take it. You basically, if you trade under my rules, you got 1 point for the day, and then you're done. That's it. But just again, because I like to go over everything that happened, if you trade this signal here after 9:30, I'm sorry, after 8:30, my profit targets and stop losses change because of the low volume. So if you were to take this one, I only go for 3 ticks here, so we would have tried to place a limit order here, hoping to get out at what would that be, 1450, which you would have gotten easily right here. Would have taken 7-8 minutes, but you would have hit it. And then we get a break below the bull line, which means now we're maybe setting up for a short, but until it comes down, we don't watch it, which our bull line is all the way down here still. So we're watching, can't do it. You get another long signal right here. You go ahead and take that one if you wanted to. Didn't get stopped out, even though it came close, couple ticks, but doesn't matter. Still would have won. You would have gotten your 3 ticks. If you would have been able to get in right here at 13, you would have been going for 13.75, which technically, if you got in, if it hit you right in the beginning, which it probably did, you were probably in and out on this candle right here. You got your 3 ticks, and then you were good. So price comes back again, breaks the level, another 3 ticks, you're good. Below, now this never actually gets below, because you'll see the price is 1300, so it actually never got below. It closed right on it. This was not a signal because it never came back in. Now this would have been a signal over here, but it never came back in, as you can see. Then price proceeded to fall to our bear line. It broke the bear line, which this would have been a signal, and it would have generated 3 ticks right here. Comes back in, breaks again, and you would have had a winner. So basically every trade, every signal that was generated today would have been a winner. But for me, it was only 1 point due to it only being before 8:30. So that's it for today. If we go ahead and take a look real quick over at the dailies, see, just like I said in my last couple videos, that I believed price would come back up to this level and get rejected. Look at that, 1, 2 times. To today during the day it had come up all the way up here and fell all the way back down 10 points. So if it doesn't break here again, but I think like I said, it came down, it's going to go up, boom, up again. It's going to either maybe test it again and then crash down here, not crash, but fall down here and then maybe go up, or it's been rejected twice. If it can close above this, then it'll go up here. That's at least what I think. Some good trades in the crude oil today too. Lots of good trades here. It was kind of whipsawed. If you did it from the beginning, you can see I have the chart marked here. Lots of profitable trades today in crude oil. Well, this was the first, so we'll just start it here. So here's one. This actually is a loss. You would have gotten taken out right here somewhere, so that's a loss. This was a win, so you'd still be down actually, because this one wouldn't have got you to your full target. You would have been probably taken out around 5, so you'd have had a 10 tick loss here. It's about $100. This one you would have been okay, and you would have gotten maybe probably only about 20 bucks on that one, so you'd still be down, which would have came in here. Then this one was your money one right here. You're going for your 15, and you definitely hit that one. So then you would have been up for the day on that one. Could have chosen to stop there, but you get another one here, which would have turned into about a break-even one. This one would have been a loss, and this one would have been probably a break-even. So, but again, here's the time. You would have stopped around here after this money one. The time started to not work in your favor. Once it starts to get close to 8:30, probably after this break even, the next signal was at like 20. After 8:25, I tend to, not really want to trade anymore unless I just absolutely have to. So this one you would have been taken out and lost a lot of your profits that you had for the day. I mean, this, you didn't get taken out here. You were actually fine when it came up here. I don't know. Let's see. No, you wouldn't have gotten. You may have gotten a break even on here, depending on where you put your entry, depending on where you got in. But good day though. I mean, nice money one. And then of course the rest of the day. Actually, this one was a nice long money one. Another 15 could have easily been gotten here. Then you get another trade here, which would have been about 1 or 2 points. Another one here. And for the day, this one it was pretty choppy the rest of the day. You would have gotten taken out here, actually right here, got back in, made some of that back, got back in here. You should have been okay on that one. Yep. And then boom, money, and then never came back. And again, with coming up to the end of the day, I would not take that, especially in crude oil. So that's it. Just wanted to go over that. Thanks for watching. Take care.